How to save a Word or Excel document as a PDF on a Windows computer. Easily convert a Word or an Excel to a PDF so it can be sent and then opened by any device. Watch this to find out how. The PDF format is an open standard. It can be open and viewed regardless of the device or operating system being used. Windows or Mac, Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. Whoever you send the document to will be able to open it. Converting from a Word or an Excel document is completed in a few simple steps. First, create a Word or an Excel document in the normal way and save as you normally would. Next, click the File menu and select Save a Copy. From the drop-down menu here, select PDF and then click Save. Your Word or Excel document will now reopen as a PDF and is saved separately for you to file or to send as an email attachment that anyone can open. Your original Word or Excel document remains unchanged. Job done. One last thing. If you want to impress your friends with your IT knowledge, you can tell them that PDF stands for Portable Document Format. I am building a library of easy to understand home technology tips to help you. Subscribe or follow Tech with Tony to receive new tips or to explore the back catalogue. I'll see you there.